Alhamdulillah. Many people say Alhamdulillah, but their lives are not led by Alhamdulillah. What is the meaning of Alhamdulillah? Alhamdulillah means, come on, you see we don't even know what it means. La ilaha illallah. What is the meaning of Alhamdulillah? All praise is due to Allah. All praise is due to Allah. All praise is due to Allah. Say that again and again in English, not in Arabic. You say it in Arabic all the time. Today and just for now, say it in English. All praise is due to Allah. Think about what you are saying. What does it mean? Alhamdulillah, all praise is due to Allah. Whether I'm going through a good time, a bad time, a tough time, whether I'm going through victory or failure, or whether I've lost or gained, everything we say, all praise is due to Allah. When things happen my way, Alhamdulillah, all praise is due to Allah. When things do not happen my way, all praise is due to Allah. When things do not happen, when what I want doesn't come, doesn't happen, all praise is due to Allah. When what I want comes, all praise is due to Allah. Is that right? That's why we're called believers. We started in the name of Allah and we said all praise is due to Allah.